So far today, this is the trade I've taken so far. So basically I longed GBP JPY at this point, and I'm currently in negative of -$13 or so. So that just this was the trade I took yesterday, right? And I couldn't wait for TP to get hit. So let me, yeah, this is it. Don't know if it's that visible. Yes, so you see I shot at this point and closed at that point. So right here it went to take profit, and it was like a 1 to 2 weeks to reward. Alright, one thing about this trade was where I entered from. Right, I should have entered from here, but I saw a confirmation at this point. Right, I saw a confirmation at that point. That was what made me do what enter, and I'm currently buying GBP JPY. Alright, so far on other peers, XAUSD just doing his own, man. He's just doing his own. Bitcoin, I'm looking to short Bitcoin at this point. I'm looking to sell it at that point, but I still want like a little bit clarity, right? So maybe in the next hour or so I'll be seeing an entry there.
Everything comes down to how bad you want it. Only when the why is strong enough, the how stops being an excuse, because purpose doesn't need permission. Nietzsche said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." So how far can your why take you?
This was the trade one. This is it. So this was the before. I don't know if you can see. This was the before. Bearish engulfing pattern, then a short, and that particular day was on a Sunday. I was on a Sunday, so I analyzed it to take short. Basically took the trade, right, and closed out at this point because I was feeling like it was a reversal pattern for me. So I just closed out and I closed out and dropped SL. Okay, I closed out, not I hit SL. Yeah, I remember. See, so that is where I entered from. Then I closed out here. Then price basically went to take profit on that trade. So I'm not on the buy. Well, I just analyzed it that I was going to buy, not to take too much trades. Right, so that is why. So far I'm negative 17 on GBP JPY. So right now I'm basically just editing the video and I'm still negative. You can see the real there. So it's the same account. So yeah. So hopefully this turns back, right? Like you should just reverse and go in my favor. But that aside, I'm editing the video, so let me show you around, right? So I got this soft box lights. This is the box of the soft box. Those are the bags. Right, so this is a tripod, and hopefully I'll be using it to shoot more cinematic content. Right. Right, so far today on GBP the trade that I took today, earlier today, right? So it ended in loss, right? I was hoping for a reversal, but the reversal did not happen, right? The reversal did not happen, so we took an L of you can see it right there, $41.83. Okay, the camera is mirrored, might not be able to see it, right? So That's the loss I took today. Then I was hoping for a retracement on BTC, right, to take the sell. Price did not what reverse to that point, right? Price did not reverse to that point, and yeah, see, price is currently tanking. Right, price is currently tanking. So I'm done for today in trading.
Come on, baby, you can have a look. Come see, I believe in people, stalkers in the room. Only thing when you fit up, nah, you know. All I do is live my life, I'm moving, I know. Glory to God, glory to God. Somebody say, what can I do? Say them forgive me, I need to love. Where
So far so good. These are the trades I've taken this week, right? And the week has not come to an end, right? But I'm still up in profit about $37. I lost a couple early this morning. That's today. I lost a couple. So these are the losses. I took a trade on XAUSD and GBP JPY. The one that paid me was this XAUSD, right? Let me show you on the chart. So this was the trade. Right, so I took this one. I took that trade. Right, you can see the entry. It went 80 pips in profit. Right, I was in like $40, and it reversed against me. My stop loss was just 20 pips on this one. Right, it reversed against me and hit my stop loss at 20 pips. So I lost $10 there. But so far so good. This remaining move, I was not able to utilize them, but I have my analysis. So I've been back testing lately, right? I've been back testing, and so I've just been back testing like all throughout the day, because I don't feel like I'm catching like the right trades. I'm just missing out on the major moves. So I've just been back testing, and I was like looking at things to consider and what not to do. So this is my analysis on XAUSD, right? This is my analysis on XAUSD, and I have an analysis on BTC USD. I know the entry looks like, bro, is it possible for price to retrace to that point? Is it possible for price to retrace to that point? Yeah, it's possible, right? I'm looking for price to reverse and tap me in at this level, right? Then it should go up to the upside, and the risk is a 1 to 5 risk to reward. The one on XAUSD is about a 1 to 10 risks to reward. I might later adjust the stop loss of this, but let's see how that goes. I don't have anything on GBP JPY. Same thing on USD JPY. So those are just my two analyses for the rest of the week. Today, time has already gone, right? This is 2:08 in the evening, and I remember that I've not recorded the trade I took today, right? I forgot to record the process of me taking the trade, the analysis, and the rest. But so far so good. Still in a trade. Today is the last day of the week, and this is 2:08. So this is the trade I took on today, where I took a trade on XAUSD, right, and it's currently running 300 pips in profit. So it's currently running 300 pips in profit. Right, so I'm in profit of $140. Right, so I closed a position, so I took partial profit of $40, and I'm currently in profit of 140. Right, so let's say I did not close the trade at all of them will be in profit about 180. Right, so I took this trade. That's the only trade I took today. So far so good this week. Right, let me check the P&L for this week. So far so good this week. We are up $79. We are up 79. So these are the trades that I took. Right, these are the trades I took. So my biggest loss this week was $41. Right, which was on GBP right, which was on GBP and so let me show you the before. I don't have the ball. This was the trade before it went. This was when I entered, right? This was when they were in profit. Okay, this one is they were in profit. The three positions were in profit of 136. Okay, I don't have the screenshot, but this was why I took the trade. Right, so I went on the 2 hour time frame. Right, if you go on the 4 hour, price is basically bullish. I know yesterday I was saying I was going to short at this point. I said I was going to short. So I said yesterday around this point I was going to take a short. I will sell XAUSD to the downside. But if you go on the 4 hour time frame, you notice that XAUSD is bullish. This movement here is a retracement to an order block on the 4 hour, right? Which price is going to go up to the upside, right? Go to the upside and create a higher high. But this one is just a mini day trader type of sell. If you go on the 1 hour, you see reasons to sell on this pair, right? So I saw this W pattern or double bottom, right? Double bottom. I found my inducement, then I entered from a breaker block, right? Let's go on the 30-minute time frame. I entered on, let me redraw it. I entered from a breaker block, right? So what happened was when price retraced into this breaker block, you can see it gave what is it called, a bullish engulfing candle on the 30-minute time frame. So I was not able to enter at that point, right? But as I saw that price retraced again into that same point, so I entered and my stop loss was, it was like 55 pips. My stop loss was 55 pips and my full take profit was the whole high, like the whole high, but I just have to target it, and it's like a 1 to 9 risk to reward, right? 1 to 9 risk to reward. So I entered. As it came down, I stacked 0.02 downwards. That is why all of them were in profit. So that is so far so good. Then on BTC, right? I intend to take a trade around this 4 hour order block, right? I intend to take a trade from this 4 hour order block, but I feel price should go below this red line or this red line, any of the two, right? Before the buying move continue, right? Before the buying move continue, but hopefully this is a good trade, right? This is a good trade. So I took one more trade on a small account, right? On a small account on GBP AUD. Same thing that I did, just basically following my strategy, right? Look at inducement level and trying to long it to the upside, but right now it's currently in like minus negative like $5 or so. It's currently negative about $5. But on gold, that is where I'm really making the money. So that is it for this week trading, and hopefully we come back next week stronger, and let's see how that goes next week. So do well to like and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.